Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In this video, I am talking about my recent purchase that I got from Purple. The first eyeliner that I bought is Maybelline the Colossal Bold Eyeliner. It is priced at rupees 249 but it has cost me rupees 199. Talking about its specification, it lasts up to 24 hours. It's bold black and smudge proof and waterproof too. You can see its application. Here you can see it. And the next eyeliner that I have is Blue Heaven Sketch Intense Eyeliner Extreme Black. It has cost me rupees 128 and actually priced at rupees 160. Talking about its quality, this eyeliner lasts up to 24 hours. It is also smudge proof, lightweight, but this eyeliner is not waterproof. Here you can see its application. If you are a beginner, you must try this sketch eyeliner. It is easy to apply. If you want to have a detailed information about types of liner and what shape of eyes does it suit, do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.